In this video, you'll learn how to buy BNB using your Phantom wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully complete your purchase and have BNB ready for use in your wallet. Begin by opening your Phantom wallet application on your device. Ensure you are logged in and on the home screen where your wallet balance and assets are displayed. This is the main interface you'll interact with to initiate the purchase. Next, locate and click the Buy button prominently displayed on the wallet home screen. This action will direct you to a page where you can select various payment options for purchasing cryptocurrency. You will now need to choose a payment provider. Options like MoonPay or Coinbase Pay may be available to you depending on your location. Selecting a provider will take you to their specific interface for processing your purchase. After selecting your payment provider, you will need to select the network that supports BNB. Look for the BNB Smart Chain option, as this is essential for ensuring the transaction is correctly processed. Selecting the right network is crucial for a smooth transaction. Once the network is selected, proceed by choosing BNB as the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. This selection confirms your intention to purchase BNB, allowing you to move forward with the transaction. Enter the amount of BNB you want to purchase in the designated field. Be mindful of your budget and ensure that you have sufficient funds in your chosen payment method to cover the cost, including any potential fees associated with the transaction. Now, choose your payment method from the options provided by the payment provider. Follow the prompts to complete the payment. After you confirm the payment, it may take a moment for the transaction to process. Once it is confirmed on the BNB Smart Chain, you will see the BNB reflected in your Phantom wallet. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.